My name is Von Barnes and I'm Principal Director and Owner of Pinnacle Properties. We are a real estate company that sells properties, manages properties, and we act also as a buyer's agent. So we have three arms. Great thing about having Stouch Auto come and view and look after our cars is that they come regularly. We have a small fleet of cars, and the most recent one is it was very hot and we had an air conditioning nightmare because we do live in our cars, and Stouch was able to come and rectify and make our cars cool again. It was prompt, professional, and it was very personable, and it was great because within hours of ringing we had a solution from Stouch. The great thing about Stouch is, being a real estate company, we actually live in our cars. Our cars are our mobile office. So Stouch Auto, they come to our office or wherever we are, and they will repair and get us back on the road. That means that there is never any downtime for us. Secondly, the service is done efficiently and quickly. But more importantly, the Stouch team are really beautiful to deal with. So for me, besides dealing with a gorgeous company and beautiful people, it means that my business doesn't stop. It just keeps going. And like, for an example, if they have to come to my office, I know that they're going to be working on my car for 2 hours. I can use that time really well, but then I'm back on the road again. It is a really brilliant service that is done with a heart and a kindness. I adore that they just come and keep me running. Absolutely, as I have. If anybody's got a car and they've got a pulse, they're breathing and they've got a heartbeat, they should be using Stouch Auto. Really, because they're ethical, they're reliable, they're very reasonably priced, and they're just sincerely great to deal with. They are, in my words, fabulous. I think as a real estate agent that travels, serious travels, I travel hundreds of kilometres daily, and they keep my cars moving. When I went to buy my last car, they were very helpful, guiding me how to buy a car, what to buy, what not to buy, and more importantly, they just keep all the cars going, and they will come out for the tiniest things and always do it with kindness and care and service and smile. I do not think there is any other mechanical company on the road that can compare with Stouch Auto.